Hello friends. If I tell you rich use loan to become richer, will you believe me? Then why does the CEO of Tesla, Elon Musk, is having $12.5 billion loan even though his net worth is $239 billion? Are you a person who still believes rich people never takes loan and think getting the loan makes you poor? Not only Elon Musk, all billionaires are having more debt than you can even imagine. Jeff Bezos with $7.3 billion debt have net worth over $201 billion. Mark Zuckerberg with $165 billion net worth have debt of $5 billion. Why they need loan or debt even after having more money? Let's find out how they makes money with debt. After watching this video, it will an eye-opening for those who got stuck in the words of society that loan is evil. Let's tear down the lie that the society is cheating on you all these years. So watch till the end to never miss any detail. Debt or loan can be classified as good debt and bad debt. I will explain the difference between them so that you can use it wisely in future. First of all, we will see full detail about bad debt. The debt that doesn't bring any positive cash flow or the value of the product decrease over a period of time after the purchase of product by using the debt is called as bad debt. Examples of bad debt are purchasing things like car, bike, mobile phone using loan, which depreciate in value for a period of time. To elaborate more, this is Jack. Jack wants to buy the latest bike on the market worth 3,50,000 rupees. But he has 50,000 rupees only, so he took a loan of rupees 3 lakhs to purchase the bike. He got the loan for 10% interest for the period of 3 years. Jack would have paid a total amount of 3,48,485 rupees as EMI during these 3 years. At the end of 4th year, Jack wants to resell his bike. But he has got the resale price as 1,80,000 rupees only. As the bike has crossed 4th year, it's out of trend and lost its value by more than 50%. It is a huge loss for him. Total loss to Jack is down payment plus total amount paid on EMI minus resale value of the bike. That is 50,000 plus 3,40,485 minus 1,08,000. Jack has experienced a net loss of 2,18,485 rupees. Majority of the people use debt to buy things which depreciate, whereas in good debt, the debt will bring positive cash flow to us or the value of the product increases over a period of time. In some cases, both positive cash flow and appreciation of value happens after the purchase by using the debt. Purchasing real estate, bonds, shares by using the debt are good examples of good debt. We don't recommend anyone to purchase anything without proper financial knowledge or advice from your financial advisor. To gain more financial knowledge and to improve yourself, subscribe to our channel. This is Jim. Jim wants to purchase an apartment and rent it out. It's an apartment with 10 houses within it. The value of the apartment is 1 crore rupees. Jim have just 20 lakhs. So, he took remaining 80 lakhs as loan for a period of 25 years at 9% rate of interest per annum from the bank. Jim has to pay 67,137 rupees per month as EMI to the bank. But as Jim made a good decision to rent the 10 houses, he will get the monthly rental from the tenants. As the apartment is in high demand area, all the houses are rented out as 8,000 rupees per house. So Jim get 80,000 rupees per month. Deduction from EMI, Jim gains a total profit of 12,863 rupees per month. After 25 years, if Jim wants to sell that apartment, the price would have gone to minimum of 3 crore rupees. To find the total profit that Jim got from the apartment for the past 25 years. Profit from the rent for the past 25 years plus appreciation of the house after 25 years minus amount paid as down payment. So 38,58,900 plus 3 crore minus 20 lakhs. Net profit of Jim after 25 years will be 3 crore 18,58,900. Just with 20 lakhs, he has gained more than 3 crores using the loan. Next time before taking the loan, you have to ask yourself, do I really need this loan now? This is why financial knowledge is crucial. Every multimillionaire uses the good debt to create generational wealth. Hope this video is really useful. To see more useful financial related videos like this, subscribe to our channel.